Throw a coffee spoon in the pot, and you will see the rot in the drain is so strong. It is Turkish diarist fez. To begin today's tip in a container, first I will add 50 milliliters of coffee. It may be the cold coffee that was left from your breakfast. I will also add a tablespoon of baking soda. Then we will mix until diluted. Remembering that baking soda is one of the main items for cleaning tips because it contains a high efficiency in removing fat and also stains. I will also add hydrogen peroxide. The ideal amount for the mixture are only 2 tablespoons. Hydrogen peroxide strengthens in the removal of stains. You can use the one you have at home. I already used this tip, and you will be surprised with the result, using only ingredients that you have in your home. Finally, to facilitate the dilution of baking soda, we will also add 100 milliliters of water at room temperature, and our tip will be ready. To facilitate the application, and if you prefer to store, you can put all the liquid in a bottle to use only when necessary. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Tashi Atkinson from Jamaica. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. This amount is sufficient for its use. For more than once, I indicate that. Always have this tip prepared for when necessary. After that, we only need to use. This tip also serves for use in the bathroom sink. Any stain comes out easily just rubbing with the sponge. For use in the toilet only with the brush. Without much effort, I can remove all stains. Tell me if you've done any cleaning tips using coffee. I'd love to know. The best of this tip besides the incredible result that she brings in cleaning your house and the high income because of use with consciousness lasts up to 1 month is the economy that generates why you will not have to spend more money buying various cleaning products because this is perfect for any location and also the speed with which it cleans and ease of use. The main use for this tip is in cases of toilets with clogging problems. This powerful mixture works perfectly. I hope this tip is useful to you. Tell me later if you got the result you expected. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.